Income from illegal sources. You can have a chuckle as we go through this. It is kind of comical. Yeah, you could think about how the story of Al Capone was eventually captured and charged with tax evasion, all that good stuff. Now, income from illegal sources, such as income earned through illegal traffic activities like drug trafficking, embezzlement, or theft, is still considered taxable income and must be included in an individual's gross income. So yeah, at least you won't be in trouble with the IRS if you properly report all of your illegal income. You'll just be in trouble with whoever else prosecutes you. The IRC requires taxpayers to report all income from whatever source derived. We did see that phrase before, and that does include illegal income. John, in this example, earns $50,000 from his regular job, and on the side, he sells stolen goods. Now, John's required to report both the $50,000 earned from his job and the $10,000 earned from selling stolen goods on his tax return, making his total gross income $60,000 for the year. Now, why is this? Well, it's no harm to the government if they force you to report this illegal income, because they can either prosecute you and find out about it and they'll get extra tax money from it. So it doesn't hurt the government to force you to do this. Now, regarding deductibility, here's what I find a little comical, and why not? Let's shine a little comedy in here. While the cost of goods sold is generally deductible, so okay, let's say you buy we'll actually see the example, but the cost of goods sold is generally deductible. So you purchase the stolen goods for $4,000, or you purchase the drugs for $4,000, and like you will have net income, which again is kind of comical. You can reduce the $10,000 of income from selling stolen goods by the $4,000 cost of goods sold. So in reality, you only have to pay tax on $6,000, not the full $10,000. All right, there we go. We're getting a little bit of benefit from this from the IRS. Now, however, John cannot deduct any other expenses related to his legal activities, such as rent for a storage unit or transport costs. I know I kind of jumped to the example. I just find this comical. Now, the cost of goods sold deduction is allowed for illegal activities because it's not considered an ordinary and necessary business expense. This means that the taxpayer can reduce their gross income by the cost of goods sold related to the illegal activity, but other expenses such as rent, utilities, or wages, paying wages to your other illegal, those people who help you in your illegal business, yeah, that's not deductible. Kind of how I think about it is the IRS is kind of trying to incentivize you to maybe report your illegal income, so maybe that's an incentive, but either way, that's the rules. At the end of the day, for all these rules, I could just say that's the rule, but I like to give a little spin, help you remember it, kind of if I was writing the rules, or at least what is my interpretation of the reasoning behind all of these rules. Make sure you don't get these questions wrong. All of these could be nice old multiple choice.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.